forest, a deep, green forest. One day there was thunder and rain. The next morning was bright and sunny. All the animals crept out of their homes. They heard a strange sound, drip, drop, drip. What was this? They all stopped to listen. The lion thought deeply. The cheetah thought deeply. The elephant thought deeply. The bear also thought deeply. What is this sound? The bear was scared. He hid in the bush. The deer trembled. He ran for his life. The cheetah did not linger. The lion said, I am not scared. But he also padded away quietly. The big animals tucked their tails between their legs and ran. The ant said, Come on, friends. Let us look for drip, drop, drip. We are many of us, so there is nothing to fear. The ant said, Come on, friends. Let us look for drip, drop, drip. We are many of us, so there is nothing to fear. They set off to find drip, drop, drip. Then they all saw it, fat drops of water dripping on the leaves, drip, drop, drip. It could be heard all over the forest. The ant puffed up his chest. See, everybody nodded and smiled.